Good morning, all of you. Today we'll continue the properties of aldehyde and ketones. First, we talk about physical properties of aldehyde and ketone. The lower member of aldehydes, that is methanol, is a gas at room temperature. Ethanol, CH3CHO, is a volatile liquid at the room temperature. And higher member of aldehydes, more than C2, that is aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. Then we talk about boiling point. The boiling point of aldehyde and ketones are higher than hydrocarbon and ether of comparable molecular masses. Why? Due to intermolecular association of aldehyde and ketones. For example, normal butane, methoxymethane, propanol, acetone, propanol. Their molecular mass is 58U, 60U, 58U, 58U, 60U. And their boiling points 273 K, 281 K, 322 K, 329 K, and 370 K. You see here, the boiling points of aldehydes and ketones is much higher in comparison to normal butane and ether, but lower than alcohols. Why? The boiling point of aldehyde and ketone have lower than that of alcohol due to absence of intermolecular हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. ओके, यानी उसके पास हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं है और आपके जो अल्कोहल्स है उसके पास क्या है, आपका हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, जिसके कारण अल्कोहल्स का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स क्या होता है, ज्यादा होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सोलुबिलिटी. The lower member of aldehyde and ketones are miscible with water in all proportion because they form hydrogen bond with water molecules. You see here, this is the aldehyde molecules dissolved in waters, H2O molecules. So H have partial positive charge and oxygen have partial negative charge. H have partial positive charge. The interactions between two dipoles, negative dipoles and positive dipoles. Here is also interactions between oxygen and hydrogens, and this dotted bond is known as hydrogen bonds. So lower members of aldehydes and ketones are easily soluble with water. Okay students, the solubility of aldehydes and ketones decreases if increasing the length of alkyl chain. That means if we increase the alkyl chains like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, then their solubility is decreases. All aldehydes and ketones are fairly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, etc. Some naturally occurring aldehydes and ketones are used in the blending of perfume and flavoring agents. Okay students, one question here. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of their boiling points. Okay, CH3, CH2, CHO, propanol, butanol, ethoxyethane, and normal pentanes. So the increasing order of boiling points, the higher boiling points is butanol, then propanols, then ethers, and then hydrocarbon. Okay, so this is the increasing boiling points of different organic compounds. And let us now discuss about the chemical properties. Chemical properties, the chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones. The first reaction is the most important reactions, nucleophilic Nu minus addition reactions, CO groups. This is known as carbonyl group. Okay, students. First we talk about the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions. You see here, this is the plane of paper, this is the coplanar. A or B are attached, these carbon atoms and O in the plane of papers, just like, okay, just like this is the plane of papers and attached in this side. This is the carbon atoms, here is the multiple bonds. Okay, students. So this is the plane of papers and this carbon atom is sp2 hybridizations, and oxygen is more electronegative atoms than carbons. After addition of nucleophile, this nucleophile can add this carbon atom. Why? Because they are electron deficient. This is the partial positive charge in comparison to oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative element. So nucleophilic can attack in these carbon atoms. Reactions will be slow because bond breaking will be start. And after some times, this carbon becomes sp3 hybridizations, addition of nucleophiles. And this is known as intermediate tetrahedral complex. Okay? Intermediate tetrahedral complex. Then reaction will be fast of the protonations. Why protonations will be starts? Because oxygen have negative charge. So this negative charge will be finished if the hydrogen is attached. So our product will be finally formed tetrahedrally addition product. Okay? This is the addition product and this is the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions. These reactions is the slow step reactions, and these slow step reactions is the rate determining step. This is the rate determining step. And second property is the reactivity. You know that aldehydes are generally more reactive than ketones in nucleophilic addition reaction due to steric and electronic region. Okay, students. Some important examples of nucleophilic addition and nucleophilic addition elimination reactions are: first, addition of hydrogen cyanide. The addition of hydrogen cyanide in basic medium is called cyanohydrin. It's called cyanohydrin. This is the base, reacts with HCNs. So Cn is more electronegative elements. Electron can shift towards the Cn minus and OH attack the H plus ion to form water molecules, and this is the leaving groups which is known as nucleophile. Okay, this nucleophile add with carbonyl groups to form tetrahedral intermediates. O minus is also present, so O minus ion protonations to form cyanohydrin, CCNOH. This is known as cyanohydrin. For examples, we take aldehydes, reacts with nucleophilic addition Cn minus. The reactions will be slow to form RHCnO minus. After protonations, reactions will be fast to form aldehyde cyanohydrin. For examples of similar reaction, this is the ethanol react with HCl in the basic medium, their pH value 9 to 10, okay, to form acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Okay student, to form acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Similarly, we take ketones reacts with HCl in the basic medium OH minus to form acetophenone cyanohydrine. The rate of reaction is depends in the steric hindrance. So rate of reactions is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. That means if the alkyl group is larger, reactions will be slower. If the alkyl group is lower, reaction will be fast. Okay students, higher the steric hindrance, reaction is slow. Lower the steric hindrance, reactions will be fast. Okay, for example, some question here. Arrange in decreasing order of reactivity with hydrogen cyanide molecules. You see here CH3CHO, CH3CO, CH3, CH3CO, CH2, CH3. So it's have less steric hindrance. Why? Because they have only one alkyl groups. It's have more steric hindrance in comparison to one, because it's have two alkyl groups, and third molecule is more steric hindrance in comparison to first and second molecules. So hydrogen cyanide molecules react fast first, then second and third. Their more reactive is ethanol, then acetone, and after butanone. Okay, second question you do also. This is the benzaldehydes and this is the 1-phenyl propiophenone. So it's have more steric hindrance in comparison to this carbon. So reactions will be slow in propiophenone and reactions will be fast in the benzaldehydes. Okay students, and now let us talk about addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Their chemical formula NaHSO3. The addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide to aldehydes and ketone to form the addition product. Which type of product? Addition product will be formed. For examples, this is the carbonyl groups reacts with sodium hydrogen sulfide. This is also known as sodium bisulfides. So this total molecules is act as the nucleophiles, and this nucleophile can attack these carbon atoms, and this multiple bond can shift towards the oxygen atoms, and these negative atoms attract the sodium atom to form COSO2H and ONa. After proton transfer, this hydrogen atom transfer here and sodium atom transfer here to form bisulfide addition compounds. Okay students, this is known as bisulfide addition compounds. For examples, RCH, this is the aldehydes, reacts with hydrogen bisulfide, sulfide. Reactions will be slow. Why? Because they are bond breaking to form RCHONaOSOOH. Also see here. So after transfer of proton in this oxygen atom and this sodium atom of these oxygen atoms to form addition product. Okay students. Okay, you see here how to sodium bisulfate attack these carbonyl compounds. We take the aldehydes. After reactions, sodium hydrogen sulfide to form addition product after protonation and transfer of sodium plus ion. This is known as addition product. Addition product. Okay, same reactions will occur in the ketones, but higher ketones have no reactions possible of hydrogen bisulfide. Okay, you learn also it. And next, addition of Grignard reagent. This is the carbonyl group reacts with Grignard reagent. So this is the act as nucleophile. Nucleophile. This nucleophile can attack this carbon atom, and oxygen can attack MgX to form ROMgX. After hydrolysis to form addition product, and this reaction is also known as nucleophilic addition reaction. Now let us talk about addition of alcohols in acidic medium. This is the very important reactions. So we take the aldehyde molecules reacts with alcohols in the presence of hydrogen gas. So this RO group acts as nucleophile. So this nucleophile can attack in this carbon atom, which is the electron deficient atom, and these multiple bonds can convert it to lone pairs, and this lone pair attract the hydrogen atoms to form RHCOR-OH. After further reacts with alcohols, this OH bond is breaking and to remove one molecule of water and to form RHCOR-OR. Here it also acts as nucleophile. So this nucleophile can attack in this carbon atom and remove OH minus and H plus to form water molecules. Okay, students? For examples, CH3CHO, this is the ethanol, reacts with methanol to form hemiacetal. Okay, this hemiacetal further reacts with methanol to form acetal. Their name will be acetals. You see how two reactions will be occur. Their mechanism is also right here. RCHO in the acidic medium. Acidic medium means H plus ion. This H plus ion can attack its oxygen atoms to form carbocation C plus. These carbocations easily attacked by nucleophile, and this nucleophile can attack here and to form RHOHROH, O having positive charge. This positive charge will be finished after the removal of electron by hydrogen atoms and to form hemiacetal. After hemiacetal further reacts with acidic mediums, the reactions will be form positive ion with the oxygen atoms. This oxygen and two hydrogen atoms will be removed in the water molecules and to form carbocations. These carbocations further reacts with alcohols to forms OR-H, and after protonations, that is removing of H plus ion, to form acetaldehydes. Okay, and to form where name is acetal. Okay, students. But ketones reacts with ethylene glycol under the similar condition to form cyclic product, which is known as ethylene glycol ketones. Okay, if the reagent we use aldehyde to form acetal, if we use ketones, their name will be ketones. Okay, students. So ketones reacts with ethylene glycol, their name will be ethylene glycols. This ethylene glycols reacts in the presence of hydrogen gas are further used dilute hydrochloric acid to form ethylene glycol ketones. How two reactions will be occurs? One molecules of H2O will be removed and to form cyclic products. Okay, students. And now last reactions we will discuss here. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. What is ammonia derivatives? Ammonia, that is the simple molecules NH3, and ammonia derivatives we represent NH2Z. Z means alkyl, either alkyl groups, aryl groups, hydroxyl group, amino groups, C6H5NH, NHCO, NH2. All these are the derivatives of ammonia. Okay. So, if we add Z equal to OH in NH2, their name will be hydroxylamine. If we add NH2, their name will be hydrazine. If we add NHC6H5, their name will be phenylhydrazine. Similarly, so we take the reactions of derivative of ammonia, C double bond O, NH2Z in the acidic medium, reactions will be formed C double bond N Z imine and to remove water molecules. You see here one oxygen atoms and H2O to remove waters, and this N and Z attached in this carbon atoms. Mechanism also see here. This is the carbonyl group. First reacts with H plus to form carbocation. This carbocation reacts with ammonia derivatives to form addition of ammonia derivatives after removing of H plus ion. After removing of H plus ion to remove water molecules and to form imine. Okay, students. For examples, reactions with ammonia to form formation of imine. You see here, we take the ethanol reacts with ammonia in the acidic medium. Their pH value is 3.5 to form acetylidene. Okay, to form acetaldimine. Similarly, ketones react with ammonia to form acetone imine. Okay, thank you for watching this video.